Hello everyone! These are the ingredients for our ube cheesy cupcake. After preparing all the ingredients, you may start lining your muffin pan with cupcake liners. The recipe can make 12 to 16 cupcakes. First thing to do is to combine all your dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine 1½ flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of iodized salt. Set aside. And now, we're ready to combine all the wet ingredients. On a separate bowl, combine the butter. This should be softened and not melted. The 1/4 cup sugar and 2 medium eggs. Beat the 3 ingredients by using an electric mixer until well combined. Add half of the condensed milk and beat at low speed. Add also half of the flour mixture and beat again. You may now add the remaining half of the condensed milk. And now add the remaining half of the flour mixture. Don't forget to beat at low speed with every addition. Separate into two since we will have a cheese mixture and ube mixture. For the cheese mixture, let's now add the grated cheese. You may use cheddar or quick melt cheese. And if you wish to make your cupcake more cheesy, you may add more cheese than the measurement I provided. Don't forget to set aside cheese which will be used later as toppings on our cupcakes. Now let's do the ube mixture. Let's add 2 to 4 teaspoons of ube flavoring depending on how much flavorful you want your cupcakes to be. I bought my ube flavoring at Lazada, but you may also use an ube powder if you have, or you can buy the McCormick ube flavoring at any grocery store near you. Mix well until fully combined. Using a scoop or spoon, fill each muffin hole with the cheese mixture. Add also a scoop of the ube mixture. Then if you still have remaining cheese mixture, you may now add them on top. Using toothpick or knife, gently swirl it all together a couple of times. And lastly, let's add cheese on top of our cupcake mixture. If you wish to add more cheese, go on! After all, who doesn't love cheese, right? And now we're ready to bake our cupcakes. Set your oven to 200 Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean and top is golden. Our cupcake is ready! Remove from oven and allow to cool. Now enjoy your ube cheesy cupcake. Thank you!